This is a quick tutorial about how to send and receive files securely in Modesto City Schools. First, begin with the MCS app portal. Select the Managed File Transfer button. This system will let you request files securely or send them securely. Let's start by requesting a file. When requesting a file from another person, the Managed File Transfer system will send an email to them. Use this screen to change the subject or text of the email. Here you can change your contact information, check a box that will notify you when a file has been uploaded to you in response, and enter the names of users whom you wish to request a file from. Now you can set an expiration date for the user to upload your file. This is a security feature to prevent long-term access. You can specify a date or a countdown clock in hours or days. There's typically no need to limit file size, but you can do so here. Finally, you can password encrypt your link if you'd like. This key auto-generates a password, and the checkbox places the password in the email the user receives. Now it's time to send your request. Click the Send Request button. You'll receive a confirmation indicating that the user received an email and can now upload their files to you. You'll also receive a copy of the link they received, so you can test it out yourself. Now it's the waiting game. After the recipient of your request uploads a file, you'll receive an email notification. Return to the Managed File Transfer dashboard, and you'll see your request. Click the name of the file request for details. Here you can click the Download button next to the files that you want to download. It's as simple as that. Sending files works the same way. From the main Managed File Transfer dashboard, click the Send Files button. As before, enter your email text and identify the person you wish to send the files to. Click the Browse button to select the file that you'd like to upload. Again, you'll receive a confirmation that the user has been notified and a copy of the download link. To prevent unauthorized users from accessing the files you send, you can utilize the expiration date and password features you learned about before. And that's all there is to it. That wraps up our tutorial. Here's to a great year and secure document sharing.